हॅलो फ्रेंड्स, माय नेम इज स्नेहल पवार. आज आपण एसक्यूएल इंटरव्ह्यू क्वेश्चन डिस्कस करणार आहोत. तर चला स्टार्ट करूया. What is a SQL? SQL stand for Structured Query Language. SQL is a standard query language is used for maintaining the relational database and perform many different operation of a data and manipulation of a data. What is a database? Database is a collection of objects such that table, view, store, procedure, etc. Two types of a database: system database and user database. System database are created automatically when we install the MS SQL server. Four types of a system database: master, model, MSDB and TMDB. Second, user database. User database are created user itself. What are SQL commands? Explain DDL, DML, TCL, DCL commands. SQL commands are instruction coded into SQL statements which are used to communicate with the database to perform specific tasks, work, function, and queries with data. Four major categories of SQL commands: DDL, DML, DCL, and TCL. DDL data definition language, data manipulation language, transaction control language, data control language. DDL data definition language. DDL commands play with structure of database object. These SQL commands are used for creating, modifying and dropping the structure of a database object. DDL commands are create, alter, drop, rename and truncate. DML data manipulation language. DML commands play with data of database object. These SQL commands are used for storing, retrieving, and deleting data of database object. The DML commands are select, insert, update, and delete. TCL transaction control language. These TCL commands are used for managing changes affecting the data. The TCL commands are commit, rollback, and save point. DCL data control language. These commands are used for providing security to database objects. The DCL commands are grant and revoke. Difference between delete, truncate, and drop command. Delete The delete command is used to remove rows from a table. Delete is a DML command. Delete is a slower. Truncate. Truncate command is used to remove all rows from a table. Truncate is a DDL command. Truncate is a faster. Drop. The drop command is remove a table from a database. Drop is a DDL command. What is the difference between primary key and unique key? Primary key is used to single primary key in a table. Unique key is used to multiple unique key in a table. Primary key does not allow null value. Unique key allows a single null value. Primary key create a unique custard index. Unique key create a non-custard index. What is a cascading referential integrity? If there are two tables, primary table and secondary table, and if you want to delete or update primary table, then by default error. There are four ways of cascading referential integrity: no action, cascade, set null, and set default. No action. If you want to delete or update data or rows which has a primary key referenced by foreign key in existing row in other table, error is a rest and action is a rollback. Syntax: create table, table name, column name, on delete, no action. Cascade: if you want to delete or update data from primary table, then data corresponding related data from foreign table will automatically deleted. Create table, table name, column name, on delete, cascade. Set null: if you want to delete or update data from primary table, then data corresponding reference by foreign key that will be automatically set to null. Create table, table name, column name, on delete, set null. Set default: if you want it automatically accept default value for that column which has a reference to primary table. Oh, create table, table name, column name, on delete, set default. Thank you.